Make a dough by hand or with a bread maker using 1 cup fresh milk, 1/3 cup butter, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1/2 cup sugar, 500 grams plain flour, 1/4 cup powdered milk, and 7 grams of yeast. If using a bread maker, choose number 8, the dough setting. If not using a bread maker, then mix by hand. Once fully kneaded, wait the dough to rise. Meanwhile, mix 450 grams storm bread, 1 3/4 cups fresh milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 1 egg, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1/4 cup of butter. Mix thoroughly, then rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn on the heat on medium setting and continue mixing. Divide into two, 1/2 for red and 1/2 for obi filling. Add 1 tablespoon of obi extract, then mix until incorporated. For the second half, add 1 teaspoon red coloring and also mix until fully incorporated. When the dough is risen, punch out the air and knead by hand as shown. Divide into 2 halves for the red and obi filling. Roll out half of the dough. Now, roll out the previously made bread filling and follow the next steps as shown. Cut into desired size. Transfer into a baking tin and leave to rise for 20 minutes. Now, let's repeat the process with the purple obi filling. Once risen, prick with fork and brush with egg. Bake at 170 C for 15 minutes. Tada! Enjoy! Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video.